Alright, so today's video I'm going to show you how to make homemade scar wax. I will be doing more SFX tutorials when I get into the swing of posting on YouTube. Also, go follow my Instagram if you haven't already because it's pretty lit over there, not gonna lie. So what you're going to need is Vaseline and flour. I'm using petroleum jelly, but I don't really think it matters. Then I'm just scooping my Vaseline out into the bowl. You probably need a bigger bowl than this because when I added the flour it ended up going over the edges of the bowl, and I ended up just having to put it on the table and mixing it on the table, which was not the cleanest way, I've got to say. But yeah, so as you can see I ended up putting it on the table and it was kind of just like mixing dough. And then I just put it into a container, flattened it down with a spoon, and then I popped it in the fridge because I needed the Vaseline to kind of harden to be easy to work with. And then I left it in there for about 10 to 20 minutes and then took it out. While you're not using this, I'd probably store it in the fridge because it is a lot easier to handle, and then watch me just full on drop it. I just full on dropped it on the floor. Ugh. And then this is the finished product. Ooh, nice. Also thought I'd just add a little demonstration in for you so that you know how to use it, because it can be kind of hard to get used to, but yeah, so I just put it on my arm and I smooth it down with a spatula, because if you smooth it down with your fingers it can break apart, and it's just easier with a spatula. And then you obviously draw your lines in to make the cut. Also, a little tip is you can add a bit of foundation or paint into it because it's kind of hard to match to your skin tone once you've already put it on your skin, because it is very soft. So if you try and put foundation over it, it doesn't really work, so I'd mix it into it. So now I'm just using my alcohol activated paints to go inside and a little bit on the outside to add redness. Then I'm going to add a little bit of blood, and I'm also going to use my fingers to spread this around the wound so it looks a bit more messy. I kind of want to do a video comparing homemade scar wax to real scar wax and giving you pros and cons about them both, so if you want to see that then please comment down below. This is just me trying to get a thumbnail. I also want to try and make homemade scab blood, so I will do a video on that if you want to, and also make sure to subscribe, and I'll see all you sexy beings later.